Relationships are one of the most crucial parts of life, right? We every day, every single day, we meet so many people. We talk to our family, our friends, our loved ones, our colleagues, and so many people. So relationships are one of the most important things. And today I want to tell you guys the seven important strategies, or things which you need to be aware of to build a stronger relationship in your circle of your life. Okay, so let's tune into today's topic. So you can't build a relationship on anyone on a surface level, right? You need to have a lot of intimacy, you need to spend a lot of time, and you need to be open towards it. And there are a lot of things which takes over a period of time to build a stronger relationship. It doesn't matter if it's your parents, your friends, your loved one, the love life, the colleagues, or whoever that is. It takes some time to build. Okay, so I'm going to tell you 7 key strategies which you can use to build a stronger relationship over a period of time. Okay, so number 1 is love yourself. It's very important, guys, to love yourself. Okay, if you don't feel yourself as complete, if you don't if you don't love yourself, then you'll feel very incomplete, and then you look those incompleteness in someone else, which you'll never find in your life. Okay, so to begin with, you need to start loving yourself. You need to start accepting yourself, which is very important. Love begins from within. Okay, many of the people, they say, okay, I want to give you happiness even though I'm not happy. How can you give that feeling to someone else when you're not experiencing it to yourself to begin with? Am I making sense? So it's very important to love yourself so that you experience what is real love. Okay, you need to take care of yourself. Self-love is very important. Only then you can go out there and then you can give this love to someone else. Okay, so first most important thing is to don't forget to love yourself. Okay, the second important thing I'm gonna tell is be vulnerable. Okay, which is very important. Relationships become strong when you remove all the fear of judgment and be very open. Okay, you need to not even talk about your good things. You need to tell about your bad things. Each and every person has something good and something bad with them. But what do we do most of the time? We get into a relationship, we only talk about the good things. We are so shy, we're very scared of judgment, or we're not open towards being vulnerable, telling what are the bad things we are, what are the bad qualities we have. Okay, so it's very important to share your inner struggles, your fears, your doubts, your failures. There's so many things you need to share, because when we share these things, we open ourselves to a stronger relationship. Okay, and then people also will open themselves to their inner struggles and their fears and their failures. This is how we build a strong relationship. That's very important, to be very vulnerable. Okay, be vulnerable in your relationship. That is how we can build a stronger relationship, and it creates a very powerful relationship. Be open. Okay, be open and be vulnerable. That is number 2. Number 3, set boundaries, which is very important. Doesn't matter if it's your parents, your family, your friends, your relatives, whoever that is. You need to have set certain boundaries. Okay, you should not be that every single person comes and tells you what to do and what not to do in different areas of your life. You need to set boundaries. You need to know, you need to take the control of your life, control of a relationship. Okay, and you need to learn how to set boundaries. It's not like every single person comes and plays around you like a doll or plays around you like a toy. Okay, you need to have a boundary and say that, okay, this is what my boundary is with you. Okay, someone steps beyond that, you need to be very to tell these people that this is not me. I don't want this in the relationship. Okay, if people take you for granted or people take advantage of your goodness, okay, all these things only happen if you don't set boundaries. So it's very important to set the right boundaries in any relationship, for that matter. Okay, so setting boundaries are very important. 4th one I'm gonna tell is invest time, guys. Invest time. It's not like you wanna build a relationship within a meet or 2. You need to keep investing time to have the right relationship. Okay, it will take time to build a relationship, and you'll take time to actually understand a person and know whether this person is right for me or not. Doesn't matter if it's a friend or it's a colleague or it's a if you're partner, if you're looking for a life partner. Okay, it's very important to invest time. The more you invest, the more it becomes better. It's not like you talk today and you talk after a month, that way it's not going to build. If you want to build stronger relationship, you need to remember people. You need to make time to call them, text them, get in touch with them regularly, get on a video call, or maybe go out and meet them once in a while for a coffee or a drink, or for dinner or something like that. So it's very important to invest time. Okay, the more you invest your time and energy with the right people, doing the right things and sharing the right things, your life is gonna be amazing. Okay, number 5 is letting go of toxic relationship, which is very important. Okay, many of us, we hold on to our past relationship, and that is why it doesn't matter if it's friendship and it doesn't matter if it's love or whatever that is, we hold on to past toxic relationship which has put us down and which has broken our heart, you can say, or given us very bad feelings about relationships in a general way. So you need to learn how to let go of these relationships, toxic relationships, so that you make space for better people to enter in your life. Just because one person has hurt you or one or two person has hurt you doesn't mean that rest of the people in this world are bad. Okay, if you hold on to these toxic relationships, you are closing yourself for a better future. You're closing yourself for entering into a better relationship. Doesn't matter if it's friendships or any kind of relationship. So it's very important to let go out. Okay, it's okay, doesn't matter. Yes, when you go through a breakup or when you have a bad fight with a person, it pains, I understand. Okay, but it doesn't mean that you hold on to it, because at the end you are gonna lose and not the other person, because you are stopping yourself from growth. You are stopping yourself from something amazing to enter into your life. Okay, so the most important things which I'm gonna tell you is let go of the past negative relationships. It's very important. Okay, 6th one, be intentional. Okay, you need to have a lot of right intention in a relationship. You need to prioritize. Sorry for that. You need to prioritize. Okay, it's very important to prioritize. The more priority you set to certain relationship, it better it becomes. Okay, and nobody, see, when you make people special, when you tell them that they are your priority, you make them feel loved. The same way they will also make you feel loved. Okay, so you need to have the right intention so that whatever you're giving, you're gonna get back also in return. It's very important. Okay, it's very important to prioritize and have the right intention in any kind of relationship. That is number 6. The last one is forgive. Okay, it's very important. See, in relationships there is always fights. Okay, there's always queries, or there's going to be a mismatch of thought process. That's going to be there because every single person is different. Every single person is unique. Okay, so every person is brought up in a different kind of experience with different parents and different life experiences. So it's very important to forgive people for their mistakes and not hold on to it. Okay, so that way when you make a mistake, they will be also in a state to forgive. Okay, at the end of the day, we're not gonna live on this planet for a long time, so there's no point keeping on hate in your heart and moving forward. Because see, me especially, when growing up, I used to hate my dad, and entire my childhood until I finished my college, I used to hold on to so much anger towards him. But that didn't let me be free of myself. I used to always have unwanted thoughts regarding him. When I used to think about my dad, I used to think on to a lot of negative patterns. So it creates a lot of unwanted negative energy within yourself. Even though my dad has died, but I should still hold on to it, which was not helping me grow in my life. But when I realized that it's very important to forgive, and once I let him go, I forgive, I gave him my forgiveness, my life completely changed into a amazing journey of finding good people, good. Even in terms of love life, I used to hold on to so much, and then once I learned this art of forgiveness, I made space for better people to enter. Plus the people who were already there, they started loving me in a much better way, because I didn't even like them for what they're good at, but also I accepted them for their mistakes. Because when you give an opportunity for people to grow, they will also give it back and give you the opportunity to grow also. Okay, it's very important. These are the few things, these 7 key strategies which you can use. Relationships are very, very, very important, my friends, because a study which has showed that most of the people after the age of 65-70 who are happy in their life, the first most important reason why people are happy in their life, because of the quality of their relationship. Okay, it's directly related to your happiness. The more you build better quality relationships right now in your life over a longer period of time, as you grow up, you'll have a support, people to support you. Okay, that is what will bring you more happiness in your life. So if you're finding some valuable content right here in this channel, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. It'll be really great. It really mean a lot if you can subscribe to this channel and share these videos if you like it to more people, so that they can make use of this content and use it in their relationships. And thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys are doing good. Take care. Love you all.